The endurance will change the way the world works. I'm Jamie Green. I'm the Chief Human Resources Officer here at Lordstown Motors. Hiring is going phenomenally. We've grown over 500% over the past 6 months. We continue to ramp up for production. So overall, it's been incredible. There are so many great new hire stories at Lordstown Motors, but they all have the same theme: how much Lordstown Motors has added value to their life, changed their life, how much they enjoy being here, how different the culture is, and how differently they're treated here.
My name is Jonathan Ritter. I am the Director of Central Maintenance here at Lordstown Motors. Well, my favorite part about working here is that nothing's ever the same from day to day while you're doing a startup. One day I may be asked to go do some work in body, or do some work in stamping, or do some work in assembly. Nothing's ever the same. Because everything changes so much, so quickly, I like that fast pace. I like the things that nothing's never the same.
My name is Elizabeth Jelinek, and I am an engineer here on the propulsion team at Lordstown Motors. I graduated from the University of Tennessee May 2020 and started a full-time role here shortly after. What inspires me the most to do the work that I do are the leaders of this company. We are family. Our CEO, Steve Burns, allows us to participate in things like wellness programs, jiu-jitsu classes, and personal training sessions, and healthy lunches and breakfasts. Because of that, he's created a culture where my coworkers are not just my coworkers, they're also my friends. We get to work hard and play hard as well. The impact that we're leaving is bigger than ourselves because we're promoting clean energy, reliability, and quality for our consumers.
My name is John Wood. I'm the Senior Engineering Manager for General Assembly. The opportunity for this area, for the community, for our children, for my child, to have a product like this in their backyard is just amazing. Culture is different than anything I've experienced in a manufacturing type setting. CEO knows my name. I don't feel like I'm a number. The team works well together. We communicate well together. We work out together. We eat together every day. Much different environment than I've ever been involved with any type of position I've held. The future of Voltage Valley is here and it's now.
Hello, my name is Walt Rokicki. I'm the Director of Facilities here at the Lordstown plant. We are instituting a great safety culture. Safety of all our employees, as well as all the contractors that we have working here, is top priority. What inspires me to do the work that I do is just that I can contribute a small amount to the start of something really good for the future. So it's exciting to be on the ground floor of that and to be part of the initial efforts.
What is so exciting about the work we're doing here at Lordstown Motors is we get to work with the best and brightest in the business each day to create a vehicle that is changing the way the world works, that is providing pathway to a more sustainable future.
I wanted to be a part of something that was new to the Valley, and I wanted to be a part of something where I could tell my kids, my grandkids, and then they could tell their kids and their grandkids that their father helped change the world by producing electric cars and getting rid of some of the fossil fuel vehicles.
If you would have told me 2 years ago when they announced the plant was gonna close that I would be here, even that the plant would still be standing, but I'd have the opportunity to work here and to help bring it back to life, I wouldn't have believed you.
Our young engineers are bringing a new culture to Voltage Valley and bringing life back to this plant.
In the future, all cars are going to be electric. Securing the future, we're on the ground floor here of something that'll be around for many generations to come.
We all have one goal and one mission, and it's to pave the road for a brighter future, a more sustainable future with EV and tomorrow's leaders.
I'm John Ritter.
I'm John Wood.
My name is Elizabeth.
My name is Walt Rokicki.
And I work for it.
Work for it.
And I work for it.
And I work for it.
Better opportunities for all workers. Work for it.